The bed in this room is clearly the showstopper, but when you lie in it and look up, you see this. The grain, the spalting, the warm light from the bulbs, this light really finishes this room off, and there was no way I was getting a shop bought one. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how I made this simple but stunning light from a slab of ash and some bulb holders. Let's start with the slab. The shape of this was perfect for the light, with the way it tapers in towards the ceiling. I started by cleaning it up with 120 and then 240 grit sanding with the orbital sander. I did a little bit of work on the edges and then that was the prep all done. It only took me about 15 minutes to get it ready for finish. I wanted to finish this before going any further, just to protect it, so I added 2 coats of Osmo oil, denibbing it in between coats. I'm using some chain to hang this as I need to leave space for the wiring to sit on top later. I'm using some black bulb holders which I recess into the slab by drilling a 35mm hole with a Forstner bit. Then drill a 10mm hole all the way through to run the wires. The wiring's pretty simple. At one end of each wire is the bulb holder which gets connected, and then at the other end it's just a case of joining all the lives, the earths and the neutrals using some Wagos. To grip the holders in place, I use a little bit of high heat silicone, and this is why I wanted to pre-finish the slab, or it could have stained it. I don't think these holders get particularly hot, but I had high heat silicone, so it made sense to use it. I joined the 3 chains together with a hook and then I drilled a heavy duty D-ring into the ceiling joist. I shortened these chains slightly on the final fit as the wiring above was slightly visible. The existing light wiring gets clipped onto the Wagos of the light, and then it's all ready for the bulbs. It's sat at a slight angle, so I added a small block of wood between the slab and the ceiling to balance it out. Then I screwed in the bulbs. I wanted 3 bulbs in this light, as the old one was a single bulb and it was too dark. And now the room's dark grey, it definitely needs more light. Then power back on and the moment of truth. Try again. Whee, there we go, much better. I'm dead happy with how this looks. It's subtle, but it gives a really warm glow to the room, and when you actually look up, the slab really does pop. It finishes this room off to perfection, with the other live edge slabs contrasting the dark paint. All I need to do now is to fit the blinds, and this whole room is done. I'm going to be doing a final reveal and comparison video very soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that one. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.